I've just opened up my knobtail gecko's enclosure and he's had a shed, so I wanted to share with some of his pretty colours. He's looking really nice and dark at the moment. Get the fill out. So I might just pop a cricket in and see if he takes it. Here he goes, yum yum. Crickets look white because they've been dusted with calcium and vitamins. Licking his chops. Never get a good focus. Let's see if he has another one. Definitely interested. Pop the cricket back in his range. Yep. You can see the crickets in another enclosure moving. Okay, well, I'm going to keep feeding him and then pop him away.